Hello everyone. Oh shoot, it timed out on me. Yeah, you guys can't see that. Okay, I gotta put some free play in this and then we'll start out. We got the 500 free play in the slot tournament. And we're gonna throw 100 in here. And this one has a maxed out major, so we're gonna try it out. Hopefully that screen looks okay. Okay. Oh, let's do dimes. Oh no, does it not have any sound? Oh no, it has sound. We'll try dimes. And we'll see if we can get a bonus on dimes. Oh, we got it. Come on, big balls. Give me that major. Uh-oh, come on. Yeah. Where's the major at? Or a mini or a minor. Come on. Where you at? Good, good, good. Need some of that last row. Uh-oh, come on, last row. Fill it in. Ah, last bit. Come on. Nope. Nice. We got 65 out of that. That out, and we'll continue on with the 82. See if we can get our 100. Big balls coming down. Come on. Try some fives. That would have been good. Alright, let's go back to dimes. Oh, we needed one more. Come on, one more. Darn it. Smaller pigs. Save it. Not bad. I think we got our 100. Let's see. Yep. We got our 100. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Okay, we got a 3 streak on Streak Clock Misstress. Let's see how this goes. Hopefully it'll be good. Okay, let's see. Oh, they left us with 3 spins. Come on, this could be really good. Come on. Zap it, zap it. Come on, zap it, zap it, zap it, zap, zap. Is that it? No, we got one more. Come on. 3 spin. Oh, we didn't get it, but we got 9 games.
3 spins awarded.
Come on. Let's hope we can get something good. Come on. Not rushing this bonus. Wilds and hats. Okay, I'm rushing it. Pay us. 3 left. Hats. $70. Wow. Wilds. Last spin. Wilds. Okay, broke 100. Nice. Very nice find. Oh, I like this game when I find streaks on it. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good day. On 2-cent, $2 bet. Fish my wishy. We're gonna need a lot more fishies than that. We need them in the front now to move them. Oh yeah. Yeah, eat that one first and then move to the front. Oh yeah. This can be good. Oh, you piece of shit. Oh, I knew you were going to do that one first. Oh well. Well, it's going to go big on us. So maybe we can get some in the front. I wish those 2 lit back up. You move back over there. Well, we got some bells. Oh, no. Oh, we need them. Okay. Gonna move him for the last spin, but didn't move him over. Oh, we got bells again. 78. Okay, we'll take it. We'll take it. And it's just 1 fish. We're not chasing that. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good day.